This beautiful and peaceful setting awaits you in this great 2-bed plus den, 2-bath home west/over 1,600 square feet, island kitchen and volume ceilings. The home features a wonderful view of the lake and visiting wildlife. Nice renovations have transformed this home in the last year, leaving nothing to do but enjoy. New stainless appliances, granite counters, ultra-quiet Bosch dishwasher, new carpeting and new washer and dryer. Freshly painted interior. 3-year new roof and brick pavers in the driveway and walkway, and updated landscaping. Relax in the backyard overlooking the lake or hanging out in the enclosed lanai. Newer air conditioner, newer hybrid water heater and filtration system. Move-in ready. Just a short walk or bike ride to the clubhouse, pool, pickleball, billiards room, fitness center, arts and crafts rooms, golf and tennis pro shops. Herons Glen offers Florida lifestyle living with terrific country club amenities at an affordable price. 18-hole championship course, Har-Tru tennis courts, pickleball, bocce, resort-style pool and spa, clubhouse with dining and more. Under 30 minutes to downtown Fort Myers River District and easy access to I-75. Come live the good life at Herons Glen.